Farm Day, May 30th, 2001, starring Land's kindergarten class.
I have one more request. Somebody mind taking pictures with my camera? Almost there.
Andy's Farm Day.
And when I say animals on the farm, go back to your barn. Go to your farm.
These kids are really trying hard to understand these directions. There's the Skilliland.
Alex is our farmer. You are frozen.
There's Andy.
It doesn't take you, but you need to go to the other side. Okay?
There they go. There's the next side again. He's down. Someone's down. Andy's safe.
Come on, Dorothy. Good job, Cassandra. I'm sorry.
We're going to feed the
Come on.
animals.
Cassandra, yeah. Always say this one. Okay, so to Eric. Here, Katie. Stay right there. Oh my God!
Okay, go for it. There you go.
There you go.
All right, take a step forward. There you go.
Back a little bit, Mariah.
There you go.
There you
Here
go.
goes Mariah. Mariah, I got that on camera. Are you guys going to miss Mrs. Gilliland? But are you going to miss her? What about this crowd? These guys, are you guys going to miss your teacher? Yeah, these are the ones that are answering. You guys going to miss Mrs. Gilliland? You know what? Hey, what'd you guys like best about kindergarten? What'd you guys like best about kindergarten? Rodney? What'd you like best about kindergarten? You don't know? How about you?
Playing.
Playing.
This is really before first grade.
Wait, what was that, Trevor?
Learning before first grade.
Very good answer. Hey, Ryan.
We're going to go to Old McDonald's farm. Are you ready?
Fun
Yeah.
I mean a horse.
You get a
Get a
horse.
horse and a cat. I know. I'm a cow.
Okay. With the moo here and a moo there. Everywhere, there, moo, everywhere, moo. Oh, Big Donald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. On the farm he had a
And we're still singing Old MacDonald. Skunk on the farm.
See you here, see you there, see you everywhere, be you. Oh, MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. On the farm he had a E-I-E-I-O. With a neon here and a neon there. Here we there, everywhere hee-haw. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a
A fish.
on his farm he had a fish. E-I-E-I-O. With a bloop here and a bloop there. There, bloop there, bloop everywhere, bloop bloop. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
That's it. That's all he wants.
E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there. Here a quack there, quack everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had
Okay, crows. Okay. With a
caw here and a caw there. Here a caw, there a caw, everywhere a caw. Old MacDonald with a man here and a man there. Here a man, there a man, everywhere a man. Old MacDonald had a farm.
Right. The farm animals. Oh, pigs.
There's a pig, don't you, Trace?
I do, it's cute. Oh, they got rabbits. Don't like rabbits.
Is that the pig or is that a kid?
I think that's Eric.
Hey, Eric. Was that you?
Very good.
Hey, Eric. Is that what you learned this year in kindergarten?
I always do it.
Oh, you always knew it.
Born with that.
Your teacher's off the hook.
They're going to get cut tonight. They're going to get trimmed. They're going to get hair.
Just one.
I was just saying they're getting sheared tonight.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, the
Big sweaters.
They're pretty old.
One guy got half a horn on one side. Like brownie.
Steven, want to hear something?
The boys are snorting pretty big.
Boys will be boys.
Certainly will.
He's digging holes.
No, his name's Wilbur.
Wilbur?
Wilbur. Some pig. Some pig.
I'm thinking of your thread.
Hey, Mariah.
Make sure he won't go anywhere.
What's that thing you're looking at?
This is the bunny.
Oh, it's a bunny. Look at the bunny. I think she was a little worried about this one.
You can walk west if you want. I have a donkey right here. He's right behind me.
That's a donkey. That's what it was.
Right behind me. Feed the donkey.
Down. The downy feathers. Yeah, that's how it's talking, huh? These are the soft feathers. And soon it'll lose its feathers, the baby feathers, the down, and it'll get big feathers. It's gonna molt. They call it molting, right?
Could we put her How about animals?
Those pigs. Yeah, the donkey doesn't eat this. Okay, donkey's very happy. See the bunny? That's exactly right.
Oh, yeah? Oh.
We were talking about maybe doing maybe that we can maybe do something like that. I told us we didn't want to go
You will? Yeah. Hey. Hey. No, all you have to do is walk across the wheelchair. On it?
I think they're scaring that little one. They are getting ready. Around the cone. Uh-oh. Here comes Steven. Around the cone. There he goes, off into the sunset. There we go. I think you're supposed to be riding the horse. What's going on? Oh, there they are. There's Bryce. There he goes. You guys want to wave at the camera? Say hello. And say hi, Mrs. Gilliland. Hey, Trevor. Hello. Ice cream! You guys gonna say hello, Mrs. Gilliland?
Ice cream!
Hey! Who's sitting there? Is she? Smile for the camera.
Thank you. That was so cute.
Straps in the way. Want to say anything? Katie? What would you like to say?
The best teacher in the whole world.
Ah, Mrs. Gilliland, did you hear that?
Mrs. Gilliland is good at any teacher in the world.
All right. Okay.
Hey, over here. I don't know anything.
You don't know anything?
This is TV Book. Hey, over here. Hey, look it.
For a wonderful year, right?
For a very, very wonderful year.
You guys have anything else you want to say?
Have a wonderful year. Gilliland, the bestest teacher. Eat sunflower seeds. Eat sunflower seeds.
Hey, Mariah, you want to say anything?
And I need popcorn.
You want to say thank you, Mrs. Gilliland?
Excuse me. I need popcorn. Thank you, Mrs. Gilliland.
You want to say something?
I want to say something. She's the best teacher since we had her.
Very nice.
John, we're basically there. That makes sense. I wish there's more Mrs. Gilliland to be nice.
Very good. How's that black cow there, Bryce?
When you're done with
Gotcha.
Me. Give me all day. Hello.
And there's Carly again.
Hey. Hello.
So how about we on the floor for a finish? We're going to come to 60. By 60, you want to listen to it. Then you have to be done with your samples and done with your Ready? Oh, let's wait for you. Very quiet at the end of the day and did well at the table and sit. The rest of the day went well. Stand up. Hey, Jackie. Okay, there's Carrie. We're going to see it right.
Farm day is over.